Okay, well, my prince, at this point, you need to go back.
No, not yet.
What do you mean not yet? You do this all the time and it's not nice. I tell you, you don't need to walk me to my house. I'm not a child. I can find my way home.
I insist on staying back.
No, you can't insist. You have to go back. It's been a while you left the palace. And you know, your father, he might be looking for you.
Don't worry about my father.
Go home. I insist.
But you give me so much joy. I can't just let you go.
Go home.
Okay, fine. You go first.
Really?
Oh, yes.
Are you going to do this right now?
Oh, yes.
Okay. Are you not forgetting something? Okay. All right, you too. Bye.
My daughter. Welcome.
I went out with the prince, Papa.
Oh.
You went out with the prince and you did not let anyone to know in this house. I've been so worried.
But you have to understand that I'm not a child.
Hey.
I have grown past that stage where you ask me where I go, where I'm coming from, what I eat and what I drink. Anyway, Papa, I am back.
Yes, the most important thing is that you're back. And more so your sister prepared a very delicious delicacy.
Ah! Exactly what I need right now, Papa. I am back.
Go inside and take your meal, my princess.
Oh! Thank you so much, my king. Thank you, Papa.
Where has it been? Huh?
I'm worried. I don't know.
He has been away for quite a while now. Since?
Love that. Yes, Father. Father, I've been out with my love, Jeji.
That's my son. That's my son. So do you know that I have always prayed that our ancestors and our gods will grant you your heart's desire so that both of you will get married.
Wow, that's so sweet of you, Father. And also very thoughtful.
Your Majesty.
Yes.
I think I'm done talking with you.
Okay.
Let me take him inside and give him his favorite meal.
That's all right. That's all right. That's my son.
Nne, do you know you're the luckiest maid in this our land?
How? And why would you say that?
I've noticed the prince has an eye on you. Don't you think you should be the happiest maid in this land?
Well, not like I'm not happy. I am super excited, you know. I don't even know what to say at this point in time. My only prayer is that our Chi continues to keep us, continue to bless us, and also make him to fulfill his promises. That's all.
That's my prayer for you too. Well, I trust the prince. But my advice to you, as my friend, don't misbehave. Don't go there for my hand.
Like wow.
Okay?
Advisor.
Behave.
Counselor.
You know I know you now. I know you.
Okay.
You.
Yes, ma. I have heard you.
Just behave.
I said advice.
Behave.
Advice
I don't want to
taking.
hear stories.
Enough of me. I saw you yesterday. You were hiding behind the block. You thought nobody was going to see you. I saw you! Just see, you know you can do Mary Amaka, and I don't like it. Tell me what you were doing behind the block.
No, he was just my friend. We were just talking.
Hey!
I have told you to stop coming close to me. Stay away from me.
Ijoma, please grant me the opportunity to be the man that will make you happy for
Keep quiet! Don't say it again. Don't. Now take a good look at me. I am light-skinned and you're dark. Light and darkness has nothing to do in common. So stay away from me. Yes.
Ijoma, I'm dark. But your father is dark. we look alike.
Ijoma, don't come close to me.
Ijoma! 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 Oh, the promo! Ijoma, we should never be well with you.
Onyedika!
Onyedika. What have been keeping you now? Why have you been playing us?
Sorry, I was inside trying to do some things together. I'm sorry.
Wait, Onyedika. Did you forget that you were the one that asked us to wait for you at that junction there? And we'll be standing there for a very long time now. Why? You know if you're the one now, you get angry.
I just said I'm sorry.
You'll always be sorry.
Let's just go, please.
Always sorry.
What kind of human being is this?
Tomorrow sorry. Yesterday sorry. Now sorry.
Let's go. Every time you always be waiting for me. Leave me alone.
Hey, Bona. Huh? Where are you going? Wait. Where's Onyekachi? He went out with his friends. Onyekachi went out with his friends? Yes. And that is why you were sneaking out because you know he's not around? No. Huh? No. Huh? I don't want to sneak out. Chireo. Ngozi. You're not wearing bra. Huh, Ngozi? So you know easy bra? Huh? So you wanted to leave this house without putting on your bra, Ngozi? Urula you go down. Ngozi, answer me, I'm talking to you. Huh? Nga, join me, let's go and make dinner. What? Eh? Ngozi, Soro. Sister. Follow me, my friend.
Once we get married, everything will change in our lives for good.
Easy. From your mouth to the ears of the gods.
I just can't wait to settle down so I can have beautiful kids.
Oh.
Like you. So tell me, how many kids do you want to have?
How many kids do I want? Okay. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. I want 1.
Oh.
I saw the look on your face. I got you right there.
I swear that I was beginning to think if we are raising a football team. You know?
It wasn't up to 12, so that's not a football team. I counted 11.
Oh my God, I can't do it. But then, you cannot have just one kid. Yes, my love.
You have never struck me as a greedy man. Your father had just you, so why are you greedy? We can have one, it's fine.
But I'm not my father.
Okay, Chimo.
What?
I forgot. I haven't offered you anything. Well, tell me what you want. Water, drink. Okay, not to worry. I have something really, really special for you. So, just stay here. Don't move. I will be back.
This one smells very good. And I know that it must be extraordinary. Eh?
Thank you, Papa.
No.
If I may ask, where is Annie, my son?
He's in the kitchen.
In the kitchen, doing what?
He's waiting for his own food.
Oh.
Sure,
Waiting for his own food. I give him his own food now.
My son.
Go ahead. No. Go.
Mama, come
What's
and dish
about?
out the food.
Go ahead.
These children will not kill me.
No,
What happened to you, Fenya?
Nice. I think you should direct that question to me because our daughter is in breast pains. It is because she went ahead and called for a wood that is stronger than her.
What did she call for your wood? Where's Ofonye?
Papa insisted.
You see?
My son.
Sorry, my daughter. Sorry.
Brother, are you going out?
Huh? Your food is ready.
Just keep it. I'll eat it when I come back.
You will eat when you come back?
Yes.
But the Panama.
Huh?
It's well. It's well.
My dear Lola, do you think this Uchechi girl will make a good and wonderful home?
Yes, Your Highness. She's from a very noble home. She's well brought up and she's well mannered. So she will make a good wife and a good home as well.
I think I agree with you. Our son has made a very good choice.
Yes, he has.
I think I am done here. I need to go home now.
But why can't you stay for a while? You just came, not quite long.
No, I have been here since morning and I have things to do in the house, so I need to go back home to carry out some chores. But not to worry, I'll be here tomorrow.
Okay, if you say so. Let me change something simple then.
No. You look good. I mean, this is actually nice. White looks good on you. I like it. It's fine. You don't need to change.
So,
Okay.
am I walking home or you're taking me?
I'll drop you off.
Thank you. Lead the way.
Oluchi, my friend. There's something I want to discuss with you. It's about your brother's child, Ngozi. Can't you people control her ways? I mean her movements. Every time, pium, 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 from one man's house to another. What's her problem?
She's someone's name. You see Ngozi? No, I cannot come and kill myself because of Ngozi. I have not seen the person in this life. In fact, only got control Ngozi no Wamubeya. Ngozi, could you believe that 2 days ago I saw Ngozi sneaking out of the house without bra? How? You mean no bra? No bra. Here. Then when I caught her, I was asking her, Ngozi, where are you going to? Sister.
And what?
Enjoy and what? Come on by inside, Osiso. Leave that girl, I cannot control and I cannot come and kill myself because of Ngozi. But
Oluchi, you're her elder sister. You still need to talk to her before she gets pregnant.
Gets pregnant where? In our house. 3 more. No lying. No, we can't accept that. Now, she knows. She can't try it.
Anyway, Oluchi, let's go now.
No more. Can try.
Chichi, my friend, where are you coming back from? Good girl. Are you coming from the farm?
Answer my question now. I know you're coming back from the palace.
Ah, so you know. You were still asking.
Single over there.
Biko. Go home and drop this heavy thing on your head.
Take care of yourself.
Bye.
Joma, please, where's Joma?
Please don't ask me. Our advice you go inside the house and ask Mama.
Hey Joma, what has come over you? I just said please.
And I'm also saying please. Don't ask me. Am I Choma's keeper?
Hey Joma, I can see you are beginning to grow wings in this house. You are beginning to grow wings in this house. Because of those stupid oranges on your chest. You think you can talk to me anyhow. You have grown into a woman. Hey Joma, be careful. Be careful. One of these days, useless girl.
Thank you. That is how people leave all the house chores for me in this house. No, where's Choma? She has gone to see you at your prayer. I don't have anywhere to go. Be asking me rubbish questions.
Papa, you're back. I checked for your brother and your mother. They are not in the house. Where are they?
Yes, Papa. They went to the farm. I decided to stay at home so I can...
You are even feeding them one on one.
Yes, I can prepare food and feed the goats.
Oh yeah. Well,
Papa, how was the meeting?
My dear, I'm back. I'm back to
I
this
hope
meeting.
it went fine.
It went well now, as usual. Alas and all that. Okay.
Hey, Papa, what you need now is to freshen up and eat something.
Exactly, Mom. Let me go in and take my bed and find something to eat.
Okay, Papa.
Oh, my food is in the kitchen.
Yes, Papa.
No. Yeah, good girl.
I said take us to the kitchen.
Have you eaten?
No.
Hey, go and collect the food and eat.
EJ, is anything the matter? No. Talk to me now.
I said no.
Oh, why?
What will the man catch us? What are we going to do? Who will catch us? That man. See, whether that man catches us today or not, I know that I must eat that mango. It's either his mango, I must eat it today. I don't want trouble. I don't want trouble. Am I the one that will give you trouble? Wait, let me ask you. Don't you want some mango? I won't. So, why then are you scared? Alright, follow me.
Papa, you don't go there. Leave Cheche alone.
At least you should spend time with her father.
You're just being jealous of your own daughter. Me, I'm not your daughter too.
I know, but you know, normal daughter and father discussion.
Papa, don't worry.
Yes, exactly.
How are you?
It's okay. My son, I hope you are getting better. Yes. Never worry. We'll be fine soon. We'll be fine. My daughter, Uchechi.
Your Highness.
Don't you think it's getting late for you to go home?
I would love to, Your Highness, but I'll rather stay with the prince for a while. I'll leave before nightfall.
It's alright.
My king. Igwe, what is bothering you up like this? Ilabuchi, our prince. Nothing will happen to him. Put yourself together, please.
Papa.
Where are you heading?
I'm heading to the palace to see the prince.
Sister, after wash, we are going to the farm.
I know we're supposed to go to the farm after wash. But father, I need to see the prince. He's not feeling too well and I haven't seen him in 2 days.
Oluma, let her go and see the prince, our friend. I know she will come back and meet us in the farm.
Thank you, Papa.
Go.
They're telling you to let me go. You're looking at me.
Better come back and
I slap you.
When you wash finish, we can now go to the farm. Let her go and see the prince. Sad friend. Love God.
I am so happy to see that you're fine. I was so scared the last time I was here. You couldn't even say a word. Oh, you're even smiling.
Thank you so much for your care. So how's your dad?
My father is fine. And my sister is fine. You couldn't ask about her.
Oh, my bad.
Anyway, they send their regards. I was supposed to go to the farm with them, but I decided to come and see you first.
That's so kind of you and so thoughtful as well.
I know.
So, my love, I really appreciate for you standing by my side all through my, illness. It was just a clear picture that you love me truly. I appreciate that.
I've decided to call Angel, the chief priest of our land. I feel that he can do something, if possible, empower our son.
What did you just say? Sometimes you sound as if you're not my husband and the king of this land. How can you invite Danger to come and empower our son? For what? Eh?
What exactly do you want me to do?
Now you're talking. Please, you will take our son to Bokete, the great DB of Amwekani, to empower our son. I mean, he is more powerful than Danger. Who is Danger compared to him? Eh?
You are right.
Good.
I will do just that. For this course, tomorrow I and my son will embark on a journey to my maternal place.
Hey, come on, man. You people came back on time to do.
Yes, sir.
Yes, brother. It was about to rain, so we started rushing home.
As you can see, I'm about to go out for an emergency palace meeting. So people should take care of yourselves.
Okay. It's about
please, Ngozi, people should not quarrel.
Okay.
If people quarrel, I'm going to watch it and eat it too. People should be very, very careful.
No, okay. Papa, please buy me something when you are coming.
You know, I always do.
Thank you, Papa.
You, every time, they always buy you something.
Oh my God.
Both of you should go and prepare what you are going to eat this evening, Biko.
Let him go and do it now. I'm just coming back from the farm. Let him go. Imagine you need to be fine.
You said you didn't even cook anything for. Both of you should just go and cook. I don't know. I don't mind.
I can't do that. Let him go and do it, Biko.
My king, how is the prince?
Everything is going on fine. He is fine. Abuja.
Has he eaten?
Not really. But he's responding to treatment.
Has
He will be
he been
okay.
speaking to people? Has he spoken to you? Has he been speaking to people? Has he spoken to you?
Yes, he has.
I pray that the cross make him recover quickly.
You say,
Hey, you fail. You do that thing now. Mama. Mama, welcome.
Welcome back. Oh, you two have been playing since I left here. Eh? Besides, where is your father?
Hey, Mama, we went to the palace.
To the palace. Do they have another meeting today?
Yes, Mama. He said he go call them for emergency meeting, so he has no option to rush.
Another meeting. Okay. My friend, you want come? Follow me. Let's go and prepare dinner before he comes back. And you, Fonye, go quickly. Look for firewood and bring for me. Let's go, let's go.
Go and fetch that firewood. I won't go. It's too. It's 3-1. 3-1. I want me. Go and fetch the firewood.
Go inside there and cook. Why go and fetch firewood? It won't work. Why go and fetch firewood? It's okay for you, Chioma. Go inside there and cook. Every time you be going out, let me be the one to go out and fetch firewood. Whether you like it or not, you go there and cook. When I go and fetch firewood, it will not work for you. It will not work. You will not work. It will not work.
What is going on here? What is going on here? I'm asking you, what is going on here?
Now, fetch your mouth.
Why you both always screaming? You want to scream down the house?
Fetch your mouth.
Close your mouth. Mbachoma, what
Brother,
is it?
I told you, Joma, to go inside there and cook. Why go and fetch firewood? And she said, ranting. Brother, every day this girl will go out, walking up and down. Let me be the one to go and fetch firewood. Can you go inside there and cook? Go and cook.
Can you just imagine the both of you? Must there always be settling dispute between the two of you all the time? Go and fetch firewood. Go and cook. Okay, no problem. This is what will happen. I will go and do the fetching of the firewood. You both should go inside and cook.
Ah, brother.
Ah, sister. Which one is ah, brother? Since the firewood is causing the whole problem, let me go and fetch it. Oh yeah, go inside. Go inside. What kind of rubbish is this? And if I hear any sound from there, I will deal with the both of you.
My love, I still don't understand what you're talking about. You just told me you're going on a journey with your father tomorrow. And you don't know the reason you're traveling?
Not like I don't know the reason, just that it's not really clear to me. They said it's a personal thing that has to do with royalty. Even as I'm talking to you now, the elders are in the palace are making preparations for that.
Okay, that's fine. But my advice to you is maybe before you people leave in the morning, try and ask your father where you're going. So that's okay. I don't know, I just have some type of weird feeling about this.
Why, love? Okay, I'll do what you say.
Exactly. Please.
I'll also send my guard to come, tell you when I'm leaving.
I'll miss you.
You already know I'll miss you.
No, I don't know. Tell me you will miss me. Don't tell me I already know.
That's why I'm here to tell you I'm traveling.
Tell me you miss me. That's what I said.
Don't forget I'm a future king. Some things are left.
I hate you. Let's go. Don't touch me.
I will miss you.
Oh, you said it! Okay, so take me home. My father is waiting for me.
Okay. Hey, mad girl. Tell the guy to get in.
My elders and people, I welcome you.
You will live long.
As we all know, the frog does not run in the daytime for nothing.
Igwe, you are right.
I called this meeting to inform us that my son and I will be traveling tomorrow morning to my maternal place.
Igwe, hope all is well.
Yes, all is well. But my king, you can't just leave the palace just like that. If I may suggest, you appoint one of the elders to accompany your son to wherever he's going, so that the palace will not be empty.
Igwe, yes, Ujokan is right. Leaving the palace empty like this now is not good.
You all are right. But I have made up my mind. Because it concerns only my son and I.
My elders, Lolo is still around. We all should stand by till their returns.
Thank you, my people, my elders, for understanding my point.
As well, the king of this kingdom. I would not plan to harm you, neither would the mother. So don't be worried. When we get there, everything shall be opened unto you.
Son, your father is right. Stop asking too many questions. Your father is not someone else to you. He's your father. So I don't want you to be afraid of anything.
You don't get the point. It's not like I'm afraid or something. I'm just saying that we just visited Granny last month. Why are you insisting on going this month again? It's so straight. Okay, fine. I can see both of you are hiding something from me, but it's all right. I'm not disputing the fact that I'm scared of visiting Granny. I will go. After all, she's my granny.
In that case, I will advise you to go to bed now so that you can rest very well and wake up tomorrow morning bright and early, okay?
Okay, then.
call me one of Amankani Kingdom. Oh yes, I already know why you are here. Your Majesty, it is very thoughtful of you for bringing him. Once again, welcome.
Mkpokete. The man that sees beyond the realm of humans, though blind. The bird that flies without hindrance. Mkpokete, this is you. You have said it all. I want you to protect my son. You know he's the only one that I have. He is my one and all. Empower him. Empower him. Make him powerful, strong. Make him fearless and indestructible.
Oh yes, Your Majesty. I am Mkpokete. Ngongo negodo nye godre godo. Arupu ala humo. Oina tumba. You may now leave us. Oh yes. You may now leave us.
It's okay.
I have been worried. I've been disturbed seriously over our king and our prince. The movement they made for days now, we have not had a fish jump. And I have been worried.
Okuka. Even me, I'm worried. What do we do?
Because you asked to. But before I say something, I would have loved to inform you that our people say a village that have no seer, a community that have no seer, they don't progress.
Also.
So on that note, I would have suggested, because you asked, we go and see Onwodinja, the chief priest.
Also.
Consult him, hear from him, to confirm if our prince and the king is alive or dead. Manaboko, the Bible say, "Adi English, Baro Tilajo." I will equally suggest that we go and see the Onu first. When I'm down here,
it's late. We cannot meet him now. Let's go.
Awesome late. Awesome late. We are talking about the king and the president. Awesome late. Let's go now and go and see the well, I'm here. I just sleep at night. I'll be at Takasam. Let's go.
You say so.
Awesome do Wokemo. This one, you and Opoka are here. I hope all is well.
No, I don't think so.
Well, I know Opoka, Awesome is here, and I've been worried over our king's movement with the prince. For days now, I've not heard from them.
I think they should be back by now.
As you can see, I'm just coming back from the palace. After discussing with the queen, who have been so worried about them.
No, I think what we should do is to consult the chief priest first thing tomorrow morning to know if our king and our prince are still alive.
You are correct. You are correct. That is so thoughtful of you. What about other elders? Anu, Opoka. First thing tomorrow morning, as we are going, you get them along. Bam. The heir apparent of the king and the king himself.
Oh no. What of the other elders? Let's leave the other elders and go first. When we come back, we tell them what happens there. Okay.
Father, I'm tired. Is there no way Bokiti will make us disappear from here? It's been 2 days. Oh, Father. Honestly, I'm not sure I can continue this journey. I'm drained. No food, no water, nothing. I miss home. I miss my love. I miss Uchechi. You didn't tell me all this thing.
Son, it will take us 2 days to get to our destination.
2 days? What are you saying? 2 days is a whole lot.
Yes, that is why we have to stop at your maternal place. Take a rest, eat, before we proceed on our journey.
Father, if I had known this is the reason you brought me out, I would not grant it. Never.
Anagbari lodu muru kemu tojo kemeta yoro. Oke mi woru we me tora kube. Bi wo uri anaja, me daresha, me raveluto.
Elders, you are welcome. Onward Angel, we know that you are aware of the reason for our visit. Please, is our king and the prince alive?
When the spirits embark on a journey,
don't ask for direction. The tortoise can never walk without its share. Yes, they are alive.
Thanks be to the gods. So when will they be back?
Only the spirits understand the things of the spirits. The mortals can never understand this. That I don't know. But one thing is sure. They are alive and they will come back.
Thanks be to God.
Elders, go home and wait for their return.
Father, we're not close yet. Or we'll just stick this way straight. It will lead us to our destination. Be strong. You cannot say that you are tired. You are a young man.
You're used to this. You're used to the street. That's why you're saying this. I haven't been here before.
It's okay. We are close. We are close. Now we move on.
Here you go, my fool.
Go. Come on.
Mama.
Yes?
The reason I and my sister called you this night is for one reason. Mama, we want to tell you that we are no longer comfortable with the way you are quarreling with Papa every day. Mama, your never ending quarrel with Papa is beginning to bother us. So tonight we really want to know what is actually the problem. Mama, please, talk to us.
Mama, this whole thing is getting out of hand. This is silly. This is not the way we used to be now. We used to be a very happy and peaceful family. Mama, what's going on? Every now and then, kitty in this house. Mama, what did your man don't hear my brothers are saying is true? If we are your children, then who is the matter? Tell us. Sister, we don't like how things are going in this house. Seriously. Anyway, since you children called me to come and sit me down, you want to know what the problem is all about. I will tell you. Since I married your father, he has been up and doing. But this time, he's no longer doing the way he used to do. He's not even caring about you people again. Every problem in this family, he just leave it only for me. Only just to go to the palace, come back, palace, come back. If I even call him to sit him down and tell him about family problem, he doesn't want to hear me. He ignore me. So because of that, that's why I always quarrel. So lazy. Mama, we are no longer kids now. We are grown up. Papa must not always be here to take care of us. Mama, that shouldn't be the problem now.
Are you going with me or not? Take it easy now. What do you mean take it easy? I have been asking you. It's a simple question. Just answer me. Are you going or not? Okay, I will go with you. You know you're going. You're just wasting my time. Over here.
Gigi, what is it again now? What's the problem?
Chioma, I've been thinking. Maybe you should go with me to my house, please.
Eh? Oh, I don't think it's a good idea now. Let me start rushing home before my mom come back and start shouting.
Fine, how did it go?
Everything went well.
Really?
Yes.
Welcome.
Thank you, my dear. Thank you.
Welcome.
Please, give me a hand.
Oh, it's okay.
Thank you.
You don't want to sit?
Oh, let me sit.
My prince, you are not wearing your crown.
It's in the car.
Okay. Please, let me give him something to eat.
Good. Yes, he also needs to be refreshed.
Sister! Ngozi, hey, this one you are shouting my name like that. What happened?
Do you know what happened today?
What happened?
On my way coming back from the market, I saw the prince and I greeted him. He refused to answer me.
Are you sure you greeted the prince? Ngozi, did you open your mouth and greet the prince?
Of course, I greeted the prince. He heard me, he did not answer me.
Are you sure of what you're saying? I know you very well. You didn't greet him. I did not greet him. I said I greeted the prince. The prince heard you very well. He heard me very, very well. You greeted the prince and he didn't answer you. He did not answer me. Ngozi, sister, are you sure of what you're saying? Hey, I said I am very, very sure. Very, very sure. I know what I'm saying. Will I be lying? You greeted the prince and he didn't answer you. The prince did not answer you. Are you sure you heard it very well? I said, I am very, very sure. I know what I'm saying. I think something is wrong somewhere. Something is wrong. Anyway, let us go to the kitchen and prepare. I hope you bought the fish. Yes, now, but everything. It's not for a change. Give me my change, oh.
Papa, Papa, this is on your face, I won't call you, bro.
It's early.
Papa, welcome. How are you? Bye, Papa. Papa, you're looking so disturbed.
Nothing much. The prince I met today at the palace is not the prince I knew before. Do you know the prince walked past without greeting the father? Not to talk of the elders.
Oh, Papa, wait. Are you trying to tell us that just because of ordinary greeting? Ekele Nkiti, that was why you're looking so disturbed like this. Maybe something is bothering him or he wasn't in the right frame of his mind to greet.
It's our culture. Greeting is our culture.
All the same, Papa, you're welcome. I want to go and see Onyedika and Ofuonye. Chisom, you can give him the food.
Chisom, my daughter, let's go inside.
Papa, please,
let's go.
My love, what is it? You've been staring at me like something is wrong. Talk to me, what is it? Have I done something wrong? Are you okay? Listen, my love, if something is wrong, I cannot... What is wrong with you? There is something different about you. You've been acting strange. You've been acting strange since you...
Hey! Wait, brothers. Is that not the prince of this land that just passed us like that without even responding to our greetings? Hey!
Menka, you are not dreaming. That is the prince that you saw.
That is so unlike him. This is not ordinary. I think something must be wrong somewhere. Something is definitely wrong somewhere.
Even if something is wrong, that does not warrant him not to answer our greeting.
Wait. I'm still trying to figure out if I'm with my eyes. Or maybe, yeah. Something is bothering the prince. Yes, because you cannot tell me that the prince of this land will be in his right senses and his subjects will be greeting him and he will fall on deaf ears. Because no matter what, the prince that will know is a very good man. He's very nice. So, what kind of attitude is that one?
See, my brothers, let us all go home. I believe no matter what it is, we'll still find out. See you guys in the evening. I have to start rushing home before my father will start.
rush. What happened?
Mama, something's wrong.
You're not making any sense to me. What happened?
It's the prince.
What about the prince?
I still can't explain what happened, but it felt like a force came over him, and the prince, I know, is a good man and wouldn't hurt anybody. But you wouldn't believe it. The prince almost choked me to death today. Yes. It took the grace of our chi to touch him, and then he left me, and I don't know, I still can't explain.
Sister, don't worry. The prince is your good friend. I believe he cannot harm you. I'm going to the farm. Let's go and meet Papa. Go inside, your food is ready. Don't worry.
It's not the same man I know. Something is wrong.
Let it not be that Mpokete has possessed my son, or have done something else different from what I told him to do. How can the prince of this kingdom act strangely against his own people?
Your Highness, why not calm down? I will find a way to talk to him, okay? Son? Son?
Oluwabuchi, my son. Please come. Come and tell me what the problem is. You see what I told you? He walked away from my presence. He walked out on me.
I beg you. By the time he comes back, I will talk to him, please.
This is not my son. This is unbelievable. How can a prince of this kingdom walk out on me? On me!
It's not good for your health.
This is unbelievable.
Hassan.
What's going on?
No. Oh, yeah. How is your family?
One night, we're fine.
How about yours? We're doing very well. We're doing perfectly well. Hassan, my brother. You know my name now. Okuka Mutameku. There is a saying that an elder does not sit at home and watch the goat deliver in tita. Kaputrana, nde Kenya ni ano nulo. Ewa mwana abu awaro. Mama na na enwa fibo.
Mazokuka. Give me a minute. You are still speaking in parables. What exactly happened?
Well, I just want to give a candid advice for the interest of yourself and for myself as a friend. Your daughter is more important. I want you to advise her to cut down the way she goes to the prince. For everybody in this village knows that the prince have changed. Everybody's aware. Let her lie low for now. Makana chekwoku awo. Ndebe can say, I foretell you is different from I did not tell you. When I talk
But.
Oh, I say but. But I just give you a candid advice and you're asking but the man, when the time comes, you know what you are botting for. Whether you're going to bot goat or you're going to bot a cow. I am telling you, don't say nobody warned you. I say go where they were. I say go. I want one. No sleep.
Your Highness, I'm suggesting we invite Onwudinjo, the chief priest of our land.
Woman, what are you trying to do? Do you want to expose our plans?
No. Why are you sounding as if I'm trying to do a wrong thing? What I'm only trying to do is to protect our son, that's all. What is wrong with that?
In that case, I will invite Onwudinjo himself and the others.
Why invite the others in this issue? Please, we're talking about our son here. You can invite just Onwudinjo alone. There's no need of the others coming here. Coming here to do what? Yeah.
Okay, if you say so.
How many go go
Igwe, you have only but 2 days to take the prince back to Mpokiti to subdue his power. Yes! From what the gods are telling me, the worst will happen. The gods have spoken.
So, what kept you so long?
When a child says that his mother will not sleep, he also will never sleep. I am Mpokiti, the matter that fits immortal, the Iroko tree that gives bats a resting place. I am the black snow that covers the white snow and brings darkness. I invoke the spirit of Ugonoma in you. It is supposed to guide you. It is a good spirit, but you use this against your people. I am here to send you back to wherever you come from. I command you, out now!
What is it? No. What is it? Hello. Okay. Where are you running to? Who are you following? Where is my husband, Igwe?
We were with him, but he sent us to take you to the Nowo's house.
Both of you are useless. All you know how to do in the palace is just to eat and stand like American statues. Will you take me to Nowo's house this minute?
Yes, Your Highness.
Let's go!
What is it?
Onyekachi, have you noticed anything lately?
Anything like what? See, Oluchi, why do you derive so much pleasure in gossip? See, let me tell you. Whatever gossip that you want to gossip now, I'm not interested, okay?
Wait and hear me out first now.
No, I'm not in the mood. You women and gossip. Haba. Just leave me alone.
Who's chasing after you? Why are you running like a mad dog? What's the problem?
Papa, there's trouble. There is big trouble. The prince killed Nkpokiti.
Hey!
The great Dibia of Amiki. Papa, Nkpokiti is dead. Everyone had to run away from the palace, including the king, Papa. You see?
But thank God,
Yeah, maybe.
nothing happens to you.
Olo,
Yes, Papa.
take her inside.
Okay,
Let me
Papa.
go and see Mazu Okuka.
Okay, Papa, no
Eh?
problem. Papa,
Eh?
please be careful.
Thanks, I will.
Okay, Papa.
Sister. Papa, please make sure you don't get to the palace. Let's go. I need water.
Mazu Okuka, where are you people going to?
Are you blind? Can't you see we are on our way to the farm?
Have you not heard what happened? And you are about going to the farm.
Now your son, please talk to us. What happened?
As I'm talking to you now, the palace is on fire. The king, the queen, everybody ran away. The palace is empty.
What? But how did you know?
I was about going to the palace a while ago before my daughter ran back and told me that the prince has killed Nkpokiti, the great Dibia of America Kingdom. And because of the killing, the king, the queen, and everybody ran away.
But do you know where they are?
I don't know. But reporting to the know won't be a bad idea.
I think that's the best thing to do. Let us go and see the no. Let's go right away. Oh yeah, Adam, take my daughter to the farm. Okay. Let's go. I'll meet you there.
Okay, Papa. Okay, Papa. Mama, this is unbelievable. So, the palace is on fire. Aaron, may the gods of our land help us.
He said, my daughter, please.
Igwe, no matter how the eagle flies, can never touch the sky. Sit on your throne. The day may be dark, but it will be bright again. Better, wear your crown.
No. Keep it there. I cannot wear this crown again. Or do you want me to die? The spirit that is walking in my son is still in this crown. I cannot wear it.
What is it? Hobble is well?
No, everything is well. It's about my sister, Uchechi.
Is she sick? What happened to her?
No, nothing is wrong with her. Nothing is wrong with her. It's actually about her and the prince. The prince is no longer the person we used to know. And she's always going to the palace often and often. Please, can you just help me talk to her so she can minimize it? Please.
Actually, Uloma, Uchechi is my friend. And what is happening is really scary. I've tried talking to her so many times, but she doesn't listen. You know, she has so much love and affection for the prince. I've talked to her.
But she only listens to you. You're her closest friend now.
Uloma, I promise you I'll keep talking to her, okay? Don't allow it bother you at all, okay? I'll see her today or probably tomorrow. Please, and I'll still talk to her, okay?
Alright.
Don't allow it bother you.
No problem. Thank you very much.
Let me go and see my friend down there, okay? Alright, greet your papa for me.
Alright. Thank you very much.
I know.
Chisom, where's your father?
They all went to the palace.
Second, are you sure of what you're telling us?
Yes, I'm very sure. They all went to the palace, including the chief priest.
I know. Umakandia.
Thank you. How dare you touch my crown? You little cockroach. A little child that touched the anus of a hen will not live to smell his hand. I am Owandijo, the great spirit that live among the living. Now you spirits, get out of this body before I cast you to the land of the dead. Get out! You dare challenge me. For that reason, I am going to kill you. Where are you, you coward? Show yourself! You want to challenge the spirit? A little child! Show yourself! Show yourself! Show yourself! Show yourself!
Our land is no longer safe.
Papa, but what exactly are you talking about? What happened?
First of all, the chief priest of our land is dead. Secondly, the priest confessed that he killed him.
Wow. Papa, what will happen to the king and Lolo?
Papa, this is strange, though. But who will stop this evil spirit inside the prince since only the chief priest is dead?
So now, Papa, what would our community do? What would the people in this community do? The chief priest is dead, and the prince is possessed with an evil spirit. We're no longer safe.
Well, my children, it left for the king to decide. For now, I can't say anything.
We should just be thanking the gods of our land that you came back safe and alive, that nothing happened to you. Would have been fatherless by now. God forbid.
My daughters, that's exactly what happened. I was shocked to hear him say that he killed the chief priest.
Thank God nothing happened to you.
Thank you.
Sister, you can see the palace is no longer safe for you.
The prince is my friend. I know he won't harm.
The prince I know cannot and will never recognize you now as his friend. So, you better stay back for your own good.
That will not stop me from going to sea. I can't abandon him now.
Don't say I did not warn you. If anything happens to you.
Sister, stay away from the palace. You can see the prince is now a beast. I don't want anything to happen to you. You are my only sister.
Oh! Aaron, where have we offended the gods? Eh? What have we done in this kingdom to have deserved this type of patterns? Eh? One atrocity after another. Unbelievable things happening to this kingdom. Eh? What have we done? Oh! Aaron.
Papa, what is it? You're looking so worried and you've been shouting. We can hear your voice from inside.
Incredible things happening to this kingdom. Eh? Where have we offended the gods?
But what happened?
Eh?
What really happened?
Talk to us. These things never happened during the time of my forefathers.
Papa, what is it?
During the time of my forefathers, young men and women were living to their old age. But now, every place, every compound, you record deaths, deaths, deaths. What is happening? Eh?
Papa, talk to us. What is it? What's going on?
The chief priest is dead. Eh? Haru. Papa, how? When?
How is that possible?
My children, the king asked Okori and myself to go and see whether Omodenjo is dead. When we went there, he has died.
Hey! Just like that. Hey.
What I am asking now, all this is happening to us.
We know.
My children. The worst of it all was when we got to the king's palace. We saw the place making shameless advances to us in a very high aggression. We had to run.
Papa,
we took our hands, Victoria and myself.
I think the goats you escaped too.
Since that yesterday, I have not been myself. I have not eaten anything. My children, I went to drink water and eat food. Go and bring me sizable size of food. Joma. Joma, I think you have enough food. Please, daughters. Papa, I refuse to say I'm scared. If the chief priest is dead, what will be our fate?
God.
Igwe, you leave now.
Rush to Onuwu's house now. Tell him I want to see him now. And I mean now.
With immediate effect, Igwe.
Yes. I have made up my mind.
Where are you going to?
I am going to the palace. I need to see the prince.
Despite the one his papa gave to you, you still want to prove stubborn.
Listen, I need to get to the palace. I need to see the prince. It's very important to me. Shh! Not a word to Papa. Is that clear?
Sister! Stop shouting! Sister, it's not fair! Oh. Sister!
What's happening? Why am I hearing voices?
It's sister. She went to the palace to see the prince again.
Again today?
Immediately she heard your voice. She ran away.
Warn your sister. If anything happens to her, she has herself to blame.
Sister.
What is happening? Your sister cannot hear. What is happening? I'm scared. What did I do? My daughter, did anything happen to you? Why did you go back to that palace? You know it's no longer safe for you. Eh?
Did you see the prince? Papa, I've told you not to worry yourself. The prince is a very good friend. And I've told you times without number, he won't hurt me. I am fine.
Hey.
Although I didn't get to see him. The king didn't allow me to see him. But I'm very certain everything will be alright. He'll be fine, Papa. You need to calm down, please. Please, I'm hungry. Can I get something to eat? Yes.
Ne, go and get her food.
Okay, Papa.
My daughter. You minimize going to the palace. You know it's no longer safe for you. We love you. We don't want anything to happen to you. Let's go inside so that you wait for your food. Let's go. Let's go.
Papa,
Let's go. Let's go.
Where is it?
What is it?
Where are my children? I searched all over the rooms. I couldn't find them. Where are they?
I sent them to the stream to fetch water. Can't you see that there is no water in this drum? Drum is empty.
You sent what? What? You sent my children to the stream to go and fetch water?
Take it easy now. Take it easy. What is all this?
Oh, I'll take it easy. Take what is it? Take it easy. Oh, I told this woman I'll fetch water. I'll do everything. Pray to your God, nothing happened to those children. Pray to your God. If anything should happen to those children, oh dear, you and your entire family, you will know why I'm called that. Get home and send them to river. You go and fetch water. You can make it.
Why is my fetch water now, eh?
I don't want to go. I don't want to die.
Shut up your mouth,
Papa soda. I don't want to die, yo.
Every time, Papa's order, eh? You will not follow my own. Come, let's go and fetch this water. There is no water in the house, eh?
No, I'm not going.
Why now, eh? Come, let's go. Nah, I don't like this thing you're doing, no. I don't like this thing you're doing. Come, let's go and fetch this water before Mama comes back. Come, let's go and fetch this water, Joe. Every time you know this thing to me.
People are still here by now.
Mama, I told you you want. Let's go and fetch this water since she refused.
What happened? Papa said stay back because of the prince. Me, I don't want to die, yo. It's again, eh? But there's no water in this house, so what do we do?
Hey, so we need water. So we need to go and fetch water. Come, let's go.
I don't want to die. Let me. Wait. If your father said you should not go, then we cannot disobey him. Let's go inside. We manage. Eh?
Mama, even you too.
Let us go.
Because of Prince, we will not fetch water again.
Let us go. Now, put down, bro.
That means we use our urine. We'll be using our urine to every time you.
Hey, no, leave her.
You.
Olivia!
Papa, what is it? Papa!
Olivia!
Where is my wife?
Papa, what is it? Who is after you?
Go and call.
Papa, what is it? Why are you shouting? Mama is sleeping now.
Go and pack your things. Wake your mother. We are leaving this kingdom now.
Why? Papa, what happened? Ogenime.
When we are at Onoru's house discussing,
yes,
the prince came in and ordered everyone to his palace. The same prince again. I sneaked and ran away. So, go and wake your mommy. Wake her, let's go.
Papa, no. We are not leaving this village now. This is our village. Papa, how can we leave our own village because of the prince? No, now it's not possible.
It's not possible, Papa.
It's not possible.
Papa, we are not going anywhere. We cannot leave our community because of the prince.
At all.
If the prince wants to kill anybody, let him come. Onyedika, I will face him. I'm a man like him. Ogenede.
Look at Onyedika of yesterday. You're not a man. You will face him. You will face the prince.
Yes.
Okay. Now you want it this way. We are going to stay here.
Yes.
We are going to stay here.
Papa, we are staying. We are not leaving this village for anybody. Yes, I just hope that the gods of our land will come to our rescue.
Don't ever go that side.
The dumb, deaf and silent gods. Are the gods here? They never talked. Upon all these atrocities happening in this kingdom, Owudindo died. Mbokite died. The gods never talked. You are talking of the gods.
Papa, please.
To hell with those are gods. They never said anything. You are talking of the gods. Where are these gods? Tell me. You want to die?
Papa, we are not going.
Papa, please, I will follow you. Please, I beg. I don't want to die.
I told you, times without number. This is the only girl that is after her daughter's, after her father's.
Papa, you should go. We are not going.
Okay.
Go.
Like mother, like daughter.
Stay.
If you like, stay.
Yes. Yes.
Papa, you
we are not going
can go.
anywhere.
If you want to leave the land, you can leave the land. I am not going anywhere.
Yes.
Because of the prince. Can you help? Let's go. Okoro, wait. Where are you coming from?
My eyes have seen my ears.
Your eye have seen your ears.
Yes, my eyes have seen my ears.
What happened?
Odere, I just saw the king going to America in the forest.
Ameke, our king going to the forest. To do what? Are you sure?
I don't understand. Does it mean that I don't know our king again? I said I saw our king with my 2 eyes!
Okoro, you know you're a big liar and everybody in this village know you as a big liar. Are you serious?
I saw our king! Why can't you believe me? I saw him!
What is our king putting on?
He was putting on a normal clothes.
Okoro, see, I don't have your time. Excuse me, I'm going home.
What did he? Believe me, I'm telling you the truth.
I am sure that this is the place that leads to Achikoro's shrine. My father once showed me the place. But why am I not seeing any sign that will help me recognize the place? Gods of our land, please guide me and lead me safe through this journey.
Okorie. Ichie Njokane. How many times did I call you people? I am afraid, though. I am afraid.
Afraid of what?
If we go to the Ono's house now, the Ono will convince us to follow him to the palace, and there's nothing we can do.
Allow Ono to die before you bury him. Please, until we reach there, don't to say he may say. I have spoken.
Njoku has said it all. Let's go first. Okay?
Is that what you are saying? Okay. But if you go to the palace, I will not go with you. I will not go with you.
I know you. You're always a woman.
Okay.
Onyujo.
Okay.
Onyujo. Emechaga nwa.
What is funny this children? Come on. Come, let
Kebu. You want to run away?
You, my prince.
Because I called for a simple meeting in the palace, right?
My prince, I thought you asked us to leave this village. And we are leaving this village. Eh?
Prince or whatever they call you. Leave us alone! We cannot leave this village because of you!
Please.
Because of power you destroy your son. Now he is a beast and he destroys the people. Abogini kana casino.
I can't believe this. Can't believe this. So Papa is dead. Oh God. First it was Mama. Now it's Papa. Gods of our land, who have we done? What have we done to deserve all this? Papa! Papa!
This was exactly what Papa saw that he has been warning us all this while, to the extent of preventing us from going out of this compound. Despite our resistance and everything, finally it is Papa that this useless prince knows that he will kill. When Papa was saying this, I was asking him to forget about everything, that it was out of juvenile delinquency, or maybe the prince was not in the right frame of his mind. I never knew that he has been possessed by an evil spirit.
Brother, first thing tomorrow morning, we'll be moving to our maternal home.
We're leaving this village immediately. Who knows who the prince will attack next? Please, just go and get things ready, please.
Papa is dead. Papa is gone. Gone forever.
Oh, hell the king, oh. Because of power you destroy your son. Now he is a beast and he destroys the people. Abogini kana casino. Obade Delua, 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 Obade Delua.
Yes, so my dear, I went to farm to harvest some cassava.
Oluchi, came to inform you that I will be leaving this village tonight.
To where? Leaving the village to where, Chiso? What happened?
You know my father is dead. And you know the prince of this land. He's a wicked man. I don't know if it will be me or my brothers. So we are going to our maternal home.
Chiso, but I'm here. Only catching my brother is here. We are all here. Why not stay with us?
No, Chi. Please take care of yourself. I have to go, okay?
My kingdom is no longer safe. This feeling is not ordinary. What has the priest done? Achikoro, please reveal yourself to me. Please. Achikoro, please reveal yourself to me. Please don't leave us this way.
Oh yeah.
Mama, wash your 2 hands.
Do you want your mother to eat with 2 hands?
Me what I love you. Wait, let me wash.
Oh, I don't want to see you. Oh yeah. Hey. Papa.
Alagola. Oh.
You're welcome.
Alagola.
So you are running like this. Who is chasing you? Papa is well.
All is not well, Wanyama. All is not well, oh. Alagola, oh. Alagola. The prince have killed everybody. Alagola, Momo.
I will be in Nemo.
The prince have killed killed Rukebu's wife and the son. Wanyama, Alagola. Please, I'm begging you people. Don't go out from this house again. Henceforth, be indoors. I will fetch water. Personally. Just stay indoors.
Okay.
Stay indoors. Kanam. Now. Why, Mama? No,
it's okay. Don't worry. Don't worry. Nothing will happen to us. It's okay. Nothing will happen to us. Hey! I will bring them to one.
Papa, get up. Inside, Mom.
My family. My family.
Because of power you destroy your son. Now he is a beast and he destroys the people. Abogini kana casino. Over the Delua, over the Delua, over the Delua, over the Delua.
I heard that the king is dead though.
Keep quiet. And where did you hear that from?
The king is not dead. He is hiding somewhere in his palace. Yes, he doesn't want his son to kill him.
You begin to wonder if it is the same parents that gave birth to you and I. And you. Sometimes I wonder if it is my own brother that gave birth to you. Because the way the both of you reason at times, I don't understand.
You on your own, you say that the king is dead. This one is saying that the king is hiding from his own son. How can the king be hiding from his own son? How possible is that?
It is possible, Onyekachi. All the very much possible. Eh? Do you want his son to kill him? Because someone is in Makamoya. Eh? I've said my own. That's what I heard. Because if the king is still alive, let him come out now. Tell him to come out so he can stop all the killings happening in this community.
All I know is that the king is alive, and I know that someday he will come out.
Let him come out. Let him come out. No one knows next. I beg.
Before you start saying no one knows who is next to that, go and get me my food, please.
I've said my own no.
Can you go and get me my food?
Let the king come out. Me, I don't want to die. I don't want to die. Honestly, I don't like the way you reason. I'm not bagging your name and I'm not bagging truth. You argue a lot.
I'm suspecting my mouth because I don't think it's the same father that gave birth to me. How can I just be in the midst of two sisters that love gossip?
Yeah, just pray Papa is safe wherever he is.
So, may God protect him.
Yeah. I thought you said if you see the prince, you will tear him apart. Why did you hide?
It's because you both are with me now, so I have to protect you now, eh? But if I catch him one-on-one, I will tear him apart. You don't know the kind of brother you have.
Tell him. Mama, please listen.
Hide again. No, let me take my mama.
Now he is a beast and he destroys the people. A beginning kana casino. Over the Delua, 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 over the Delua.
And he's going around the village killing the children of the earth.
Are you serious?
I'm serious.
See, in fact, as I'm talking to you right now, me and my family, we are leaving this village this night. It will not
this night? Okay. And my father said we will leave tomorrow. Hey, let's go together because I'm packing now. Right away, just now, immediately.
understand me.
Papa, I'm telling you.
Listen. What an elder is seeing, a little girl like you cannot see.
Papa, please.
See, let me tell you.
Papa, leave me now.
Who are you to go there to stop the prince? Who has turned you a monster, killing people?
Papa, calm down.
I'm begging you.
I don't know how many times you want me to say
You are my
this.
daughter.
And he is my friend. He won't do anything to harm me.
Biko, my daughter. I know what I'm saying. Don't go there again.
Papa, calm down.
I'm begging you.
I don't know how many times you want me to say this.
You are my daughter.
And he is my friend. He won't do anything to harm me.
Please,
Can you just let me be?
Please.
Papa,
please.
I don't want this to be an argument.
Please,
Just let me pass, Papa. Because
My daughter.
what is it? Are you okay? Nai, talk to me. What is it?
What happened? I can't say it with this my mouth.
Nai, if you don't say it, how will I know? I need to understand what you're talking about.
The prince killed my children. What have you done to yourself? Prince, my son, please forgive me. I tried to protect you from danger, but it ends up in something more dangerous. Hey! Achikoro! Where are you? Ageless mother. Achikoro, please help me. If not for anything else, for my people. Please.
Igwe, Okaume, the gods have heard your cry. We are heading to the village. Oh, we are heading to the village. If not, the whole village would die. Oh, give me your hands. Give me your hands.
How can you go up and down in search of people to kill? Blood-sucking demon. Animal like you.
Prince, and you did not let anyone to know in this house. I've been so worried.
But you have to understand that I'm not a child. I have grown past that stage where you ask me where I go, where I'm coming from, what I eat and what I drink. Anyway, Papa, I am back.
Yes, the most important thing is that you're back.
And more so, your sister prepared a very delicious delicacy.
Exactly what I need right now, Papa.
So excited to take your meal, my princess.
Oh, thank you so much, Mike. Thank you, Papa.
Mweze ọkwagi bodu mmeli obodo nna n'ebe ntị na-etio nna n'ebe ebe n'ebe egbuo onye kwesị shi obodo bụzikwa aja anụwo Mweze ọkwagi bụzikwa aja agụwo Say, oh, I give obodo. Oh, hail the king. Oh, hail the king. God.
Hi! Wonder shall never end. Why would the prince just kill the queen just like that?
I'm in pain. The queen loves me so much.
I know. I've seen the way she treats you like her own child. I know.
Who am I in this class without the queen?
It's so painful. It's so painful. How are we going to go? How are we going to start? Who is going to give us good food? I understand your pain. I feel the same. It's okay. It's okay.
Dear son, please. I know how you feel. What I did was so uncalled for. I mean, how can I do such a thing? How can I kill the love of my life? How? I didn't do what I did with my clear eyes. I didn't know when I did it.
My prince, I swear, we all know you didn't do it with your clear eyes. It's okay. I swear.
Okay, well, my prince, at this point, you need to go back.
No, not yet.
What do you mean, not yet? You do this all the time and it's not nice. I tell you, you don't need to walk me to my house. I'm not a child. I can find my way home.
I insist on staying back.
No, you can't insist. You have to go back. It's been a while you left the palace. And you know, your father, he might be looking for you.
Don't worry about my father.
Go home. I insist.
But you give me so much joy. I can't just let you go.
Go home.
Okay, fine. You go first.
Really?
Oh, yes.
Are you going to do this right now?
Oh, yes.
Okay. Are you not forgetting something? Okay. Alright, you too, bye.
Once we get married, everything will change in our lives for good.
You see, from your mouth to the ears of the gods.
I just can't wait to settle down so I can have beautiful kids like you. So tell me, how many kids do you want to have?
How many kids do I want? Okay. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. I want 1. I saw the look on your face. I got you right there.
I swear that I was beginning to think if we are raising a football team, you know.
It wasn't up to 12, so that's not a football team. I counted 11.
Oh my god, I can't do it. But then, you cannot have just one kid. Yes, my love.
You have never struck me as a greedy man. Your father had just you, so why are you greedy? We can have one, it's fine.
But I'm not my father.
Okay, Chimo.
What?
I forgot. I haven't offered you anything. Well, tell me what you want. Okay, not to worry. I have something really, really special for you. So, just stay here. Don't move. I will be back. My love, I still don't understand what you're talking about. You just told me you're going on a journey with your father tomorrow. And you don't know the reason you're traveling?
Not like, I don't know the reason, just that it's not really clear to me. They said it's a personal thing that has to do with royalty. Even as I'm talking to you now, the elders are in the palace are making preparations for that.
Okay, that's fine. But my advice to you is, maybe before you people leave in the morning, try and ask your father where you're going. So that's okay. I don't know, I just have some type of weird feeling about this.
Why, love? Okay, I'll do what you say.
Exactly, please.
I'll also send my guard to come, tell you when I'm leaving.
I'll miss you.
You already know I'll miss you.
No, I don't know. Tell me you will miss me. Don't tell me I already know.
That's why I'm here, to tell you I'm traveling.
Tell me you miss me. That's what I said.
Don't forget I'm a future king. Some things are left.
I hate you. Let's go. Don't touch me.
I will miss you.
Oh, you said it! Okay, so take me home. My father is waiting for me.
Okay. Hey, my girl. Tell the guy to get in.
I am so happy to see that you're fine. I was so scared the last time I was here. I couldn't even say a word. Oh, you're even smiling.
Thank you so much for your care. So how's your dad?
My father is fine. And my sister is fine. You couldn't ask about her.
Oh my God.
Anyway, they send their regards. I was supposed to go to the farm with them, but I decided to come and see you first.
That's so kind of you. And so thoughtful as well.
I know.
So my love, I really appreciate for you standing by my side all through my, illness. It was just a clear picture that you love me truly. And I appreciate that.
Gigi. It's my prince. Stand up. Stand up. Stand up.
Please stop crying. The cause knows the best.
Let's go inside. Let's go inside. Don't worry.
I'm not worth coming to this family.
That's right. Let's go inside. Don't worry. Let's go inside. It's well.